Welcome back for another Fantom price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you areas that Fantom needs to continue holding here on the charts for us to continue expecting higher prices. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to see a bit of a breakdown move here on the charts, in a move that has continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we have now been breaking down in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And all this is playing out after we saw the massive crash on the 10th of June in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.2128 mark. And afterwards, we started a very nice recovery to the upside, where we first peaked in this 1-2 setup, having the wave 2 fully maximizing its minimum retracement areas. Then afterwards, we continued gearing up, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we have been able to put in place the high for that first wave to the upside. And now we are breaking down in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now fully maximized minimum target areas, which I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave down here to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.88 as a maximum, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And you can see that at some point we had seen a brief break of the fib level 0.88, and in case we see a close of a 4-hour candlestick out of our blue target area, then that might be suggesting that there are chances that Fantom might give us further breakdown here on the charts. But in case we see a nice reaction of these areas here on the charts between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.88, then there are high chances that Fantom is going to start gearing up impulsively in the formation of a wave 3, which is what we expect after seeing a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. And for that move to be confirmed, we need to see Fantom break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.3075 mark, continue gearing up and see a break above the significant high at around the $0.3306 mark, and a break above that significant high, then that is enough confirmation that we are now getting impulsive in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what we can expect on the short term. So continue watching for a daily close outside of our blue target area to the lower side, because that will be suggesting further breakdown or maybe a more bearish scenario here on the Fantom chart. And if I zoom out on the charts to also give you my long-term analysis, still basing it on the Elliot wave structures, you can see that Fantom gave us our November lows last year. Then we started gearing up impulsively, where we peaked in a 5-wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.65 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where we have now fully maximized minimum retracement areas, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and soon Fantom can see a reaction of the target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, where I'm expecting the third wave to give us a break above the $1 mark. And before all that plays out, we first need to see Fantom give us a complete 5-wave structure here on the chart, followed by an ABC corrective structure and a break above significant highs to confirm the start of an impulse to the upper side. And that is what we need to first see on the charts to confirm the start of that impulse to the upper side. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 40 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.